As a beginner in cycling, it is important to do a self-assessment. 1. Don't compare to others. People often compare to others, which can be quite damaging to their self-confidence. 2. Don't overestimate yourself. How do you think your cycling skills are can be very different to what reality is. If you are aware enough, you can identify a room for improvement. 3. Set up a goal. Start small. Today, drive in your neighborhood. In a week, go to work. In a few months, go on a semi-long trip. 4. Self-assessment is important also for understanding others. Cycle with a friend at the beginning, thus your confidence will increase. When you feel you are ready to go on a longer trip, make breaks every few hours.